What is good, my family? Good morning to everybody, and good morning and good morning. Make sure to throw those A's in the chat right now. If you can hear your boy speak, go ahead and throw those A's in the chat right now. Oh my goodness. What is up, family? How you doing? Joe H, you're early, my dude. Mark Roach, what's up? You online? Oh, look at this. Look at this, man. We got a special guest coming up in here. What's up, Frankie B, telling us to check out ticker symbol SBEV. Let's go ahead and notice the very obvious things here in SBEV because this thing looks like it's prepped for a potential entry right now. Guys, let's go ahead and look at this. Look. This is a daily time frame, bullish engulfing, printed and confirmed. This is now the first candle with a retracement back to the mean band, and now it's continuing its upward trajectory. Team, I can already see resistance potentially coming up at minimum 5204, but as you know, the EMA 21 coming up at that mid band could very well be a minimum move here too, right? So now the daily closures of in the next 2 or 3 days appear to be the ones that are going to suggest a continuation to that 60-cent target. I guess with confirmation of closure above that EMA 21, but this SBEV ticker is 100% ready. Go ahead and check out your stochastic momentum with an upside pivot entering the bullish control zone, and we're getting that contraction phase with an upside pivot on RSI 2, and look at the early moves on the money flow index. I don't know if you guys have noticed this before, but check this out. I don't know if you've mentioned this. Go ahead and let me know in the chat. But this little green sign right here, right there, that is a very rare buy signal printed on the SMI MFI indicator, and we just got it at the opening today. Okay, team, so that is a very rare go ahead signal, and it's already printing, right? So I am a full transparency here. I am gonna long this at around this 49-cent zone. I'd say anywhere between anywhere between 48.26 and 49.50. I'm going to go ahead and get long this position as I see a potential continuation to the upside. The only resistance right now is the SMA 10, but this is not going to hold for too long as it is already breaking above it. So, I have to legally say that I'm going to go ahead and long a position if it is going to be that I look at it in on the live situation here, team. So please go ahead, please go ahead and take a look at that ticker whenever you can, because I personally see the upside in this almost immediately. Take a look at your RSI in the 4-hour time frame. It's already in the bullish control zone here and in the gravitational zone. Money flow index is actually showing stochastics with money flow increasing as we speak. There's still a massive upside here on the stochastic momentum indicator, and we are expanding. That means that more shares on average are getting traded here, team. So this could be ready for a pop. Man, oh man, this could be ready for a pop. Danielle Spears, no, I'm not talking about like a 0 DTE trade. I'm talking about like, can I be that direct with you? I'm gonna like load the boat for the next few days. Like actually get it. What's up, Daniel Gonzalez? Good to see you here. Oh man. Yeah, so I just gotta be as direct as I can be with you, right? Oh man, but yeah, team, go ahead and you give it your analysis, right? Very interesting match here of the SMA 200 on the hourly time frame, right? That looks like around 57 cents, and we were getting that top side on the daily of the linear regression channel of about 60 cents. So that already gives us a resistance range, right? We're looking at a potential, I would say maybe 5605, because that's what this is implying. 5605-ish to about 6080. So let me go ahead and just kind of put that down just like that. And yeah, to about 60. Let me see, where was it? I'm going to be as you know what? I'm going to go ahead and adjust it to about 5909. as it is a very relevant support there that turned into resistance later. So these are the targets that it could face right now. I see a focus. I do see a focus here at about 50. Let me see. At about 58.06. Let me validate that. Hold on. 57.97 looks like there's a focus there. So that's going to be the first target to kind of combat, right? We're going to have to combat this target first. Get some 4-hour or hourly to 4-hour closures upside of these targets here before continuation to the upside. As that would be that would be, wow, man, look at this moving up to 50.44 now. Damn it. Yeah, Danielle, I was talking about entry anywhere between 48 and like 49.50, I think I said. It's like still there, right? So there could be a very short-term pullback here to maybe that 49.20. Let me see, 49.20 to 49.55. There could be a small pullback there, but it's like the same here. I'm jumping off. I got you. Frankie B, thank you for sharing the ticker. This thing is mad primed. This thing is showing huge promise right now, and it's already printing green bars. Damn. It's getting wild, guys. Thanks, Frank. Thank you. Oh, man. Wow. Guys, jumping up a whole point, a whole cent right now, a whole tick. 51.08. Yeah, this is a minimum moves right now. Nice. Your boy's coming. That's awesome. It's moving even before that. Sebastian, eyeballs on SBEV. Dude, this thing is explosive. I'm seeing a potential. Yeah, dude, I'm still. Oh, man. So let's just say from this point here to my focus, I'm looking at a potential 13.5 to 14% move already. And to the top area of my resistance is about another 15.68%. Sebastian, yeah, we're gonna go ahead and pull up Buzz Margin Call. What is up, my dude? Good to see you here. VRM. The VRM definitely something. Damn, you guys, look at this. It's already at 51.62. It's going. Let's go. Let's see. It is at I guess a little bit further up, and it's at a tiny resistance, 52.03. This is already at a resistance right now. So the resistance is really 52.62 to 52.03. Damn. Did not expect this to be rallying like this fast. Okay, so man, I'm sorry, team. It's a little hard. It's a little hard to keep my. Not gonna lie for a sec. It's hard to keep my eyes off of it. Let's see. I want to go ahead and pull up that ticker for Buzz as well. VRM, right? Damn. That's ridiculous. That's awesome. You can see this just rising. And we're right at the beginning of the pivot from all of these moving averages. I only feel like this is just going to continue. You know, because it kind of takes a lot, right, to start curving the SMA 50 on an hourly, and it's already showing its curve. Damn. Yeah, you know what, guys? Some people. Yeah, PCSA is looking very good too, as well, team. I definitely see a potential. Somebody mentioned it earlier. 48.75 to 49.80 could be in. It feels a little high, but it could be in today. Maybe tomorrow, but yeah, it's feeling like it wants to get that push. Daily time frame stochastics, expansion right now in volatility, upside pivot, and in the gravitational zone. ADX on the daily now sitting at 30%. This is clean. This is another clean setup. Guys, wow. There are setups left and right on the market right now. All right, so let's go ahead and pull I want to see. Yeah, I want to see this real quick. I'm sorry. I'm going to go ahead and pull it up for, wow, was the 52? Yeah. Okay, we got that 52 resistance, a little higher than I thought, but it pulled back right to 51.62. This could be setting a support at the 51.62. So in other words, from here to the top of the range would be a 14.5% move to the upside even still. I'm going to start loading up some tickers right here before I forget what we need to look at, right? Damn, you know what? Yesterday, you guys, you're not going to believe this. I filmed an NVOS video and I did not load it. Ah, dude. How freaking annoying. Literally did the work for nothing. So, Buzz, you're talking about VRM, right? Dude, this thing is powerful. Yeah, very convincing upsides here. By hourly time frame, ADX sitting at 30%. Yeah, validated expansion versus momentum. That shows like, this shows like it wants to get this bi-hourly test of the SMA 200 at 90 cents before confirmation, right? So another 6% to the upside even still from here. And Sebastian needs to take a look at Viri as well. Yeah, let's get Sebastian. Let's get in. Yeah, dude, there's still upside in this, and I would honestly just have to validate the closure of this bi-hourly candle upside of precisely 90.64. If it closes this bi-hourly in an hour and 45 minutes above 90.64, very likely gonna come up to test the range of about $1 today. Okay, so be very careful with this one. And now, Sebastian, let's take a look at your ticker, bro. Okay, so let me pull this. Okay, so Viri was making some moves. Damn. Was it just a couple days ago? It was at 104. Holy crap! It's trying to test the dollar marks again. You're up 10% on VRM. Hey, Katie. Good morning to you. Grumpkin, I'm gonna go ahead and load that up so I don't forget. Wow. Yeah, so it sat at that 51.62, now at 51.78. Very likely going to continue. Let me load up that ticker symbol WULF. Let's see what's up. So WULF, for those of you who are not familiar, is a Bitcoin miner. Whoa. Careful. You're about to face a resistance right now at 106. This is the hourly time frame SMA 200. It's not to say that it's not going to beat it. I'm just, whoa, look at that. Damn. Okay, wait for the base. 106 could be a little bit of a pullback here. I'm not sure if this is the resistance, but damn. So much promise. This makes me feel, let me actually pull up Bitcoin next to it. I need to know now what it's doing in order for me to see the upside on this. Damn, look at that. Sebastian Lim, I know you're a fan of this one, bro. Hey, John. Good to see you here. Let me pull that one up to ASTS. Yeah, let me put, damn, oh my goodness. WULF is absolutely pumping. I need to see what Bitcoin is doing. Holy crap. Guys, everything is stupid. Did we get a good PPI report? I haven't even checked. It was an hour before market open. I have not checked that metric yet. Buzz margin call. Sorry, I deleted you, buddy. But buzz margin call is okay. Let's see. Yeah, I got you, dude. Don't mind me, man. I just deleted you by accident. Let's see. Blah, 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 blah. So we're going to do it. Why don't we just do it? Oh, no. Right. Bitcoin futures. Futures. Right. Yeah. Little bull flag playing out right now. Hourly time frame breaking upside of the SMA 50. 41 minutes to close upside of this mean band, which would be 36,425. This looks like upside continuation. SMA 200 below in the hourly here. I would say in the next probably 2 to 4 hours, 36,800 does not look like it could be too far-fetched here. Oh, yeah, I hear that, Buzz. I hear that. I guess the next thing, just a sec. I wanna say, hey Tom, how are you, brother? I wanna say, right, and I have to load up ASTS as well. So sorry, hold on. I'm living, man. I'm living good. What about you? Oh, crap. ASTS. ASTS, very similar. Wow, all of these tickers are facing the SMA 200 as a resistance, but I do have, oh man, you know what? Wait. Just, I need to put this note down here for a little bit. Okay, so the asset has faced rejection almost every single time it has. I mean, that was a huge pump to the upside from $8 to $14 upon crossing over that SMA 200. Let's see. Okay, so historically speaking, anytime that it crosses upside of the SMA 200 purple line, it has been rejected. So like this one here, right? And I'm looking at the pivot when it touched it of the SMA 50, and it looks like the SMA 50 is pivoted towards the upside here too, and it is touching it right now. So what I will say is that more often than not, there has been a rejection at the SMA 200, but market conditions are very different than what they were back here in March. Spy calls are printing, my bro. Hell yes. Let's see. Hold on. I guess I would here. Okay, here's my bottom line for this. I think I would feel most comfortable if we got something like this. Check this out. So opening of the daily time frame here opened at 590, and the candle closed at 613, right? This would be my first signal that upside is going to be a continuation. So I would wait for the pullback to test the SMA 200 and then launch it, right? So in this point here, we would really want this daily closure, 5 hours and 37 minutes, to close above the SMA 200, the 200-day simple moving average, right? And then on the tomorrow, if it does close, if today does close above it, tomorrow we have to wait for the pullback to the SMA 200, long the 200, and let it ride, right? Because from here, oh man, look at this. I'm going to show you something. This is one massive gap. Here it is. This is the gap right here. Okay. So if price action, let me get the moving average back in. Damn. Yeah, so once price action starts to combat the $4.92 zone, very little resistance here. I see some resistance at about 558. Oh my goodness. But I think that this is going to try and fill the gap. Holy crap. I hope that's not the bull trap though. I'm going to say that. I'm going to say that out loud right now. Very good chance for this to be a bull trap, but I mean, there's not really a lot of resistance until you get to that 559. Which is, I mean, it's freaking huge from here, right? So 559 would be another almost 17% move. Okay, so yeah, that's my thread there. I think proceed with caution. Oh, so it's caused by an offering? Because it just got a negative read, right? It got a earnings miss. Yeah, it's just they're presenting it as a Q3 loss. No way. Look at that, you guys. For those of you who got long the market down here, congratulations, but this is not the end whatsoever. This is just a temporary resistance that I'm talking about here. This is very likely gonna continue to the upside. I can see those who probably read me. It's like, I'm not gonna, I don't usually say it out loud like that. I'm just gonna long the hell out of it, right? Oh my goodness, you guys, this is a minimum move. So for those of you who caught entry at 50, congratulations. For those of you who got caught entry at that 51.62, congratulations. Damn. I love it. So Green Mountain, thank you for letting me know about SBEV. Daryl, thank you for letting me know about SBEV. Very happy that you guys are watching it. Damn, you guys. Yeah, and I'm telling you this. Frankie B, here we go. This is a temporary resistance coming up, you guys, and I think that there could be, let me see. I don't even know. Here's the thing, that if we combat the SMA 200 on the hourly, we could use 5907 as that. Damn, look at that. Still going. Danielle, you're long this ticker? Nice. That's going to be that buy side interest right now, just pushing this asset to the upside. Guys, FOMO hasn't even started. So the 5911 could be a short-term resistance to come back and validate the SMA 200 as a support. There is that probability too. Damn. Guys, I really need to take a look at Sebastian. Sebastian, are you in here? Dude, what the hell? You got to remind me more. You got to say, Arca, where you at? Let's see. Okay, so Viri. Dude, huge green candles coming up. Let me get the linear regression channel out of the way. Frankie B, I'll deliver something. Trust me, bro. Trust me, bro. Dude, thank you so much for sharing that with the community. Frankie B coming through. Look at this thing just rip. You guys, it's a man. My resistance levels team are showing up right around here. I know the SMA 200 is at 5684, but I really do think you have a shot at the 5904 with a focus at 5793 for a short-term pullback. Damn. That is ridiculous. Huge upside. Guys, make sure to hit that like button. Subscribe to the channel. Engage with the channel so we can get some more people up in the stream, right? Let's finesse that algorithm. So yeah, guys, oh my goodness. So ticker symbol VIRI, it's doing that thing that oh man, look it. So we got the bottom side targets that we wanted. It actually penetrated a little bit lower than what we thought. So this is this was the completion of this I'm not gonna lie, this thing flipping bearish here. I mean, we saw it coming, but the thing is that it's not supposed to be a bearish formation. What is happening though is that I'm telling you, these triangles have been failing, the bullish ones. They've been failing and then they're recovering. Frankie B saying, do what I can with what I got, my dude. That's plenty for retail. We all commend you, good sir. Very lucky to have the team that we have, you guys. Very lucky to have this team. Okay, so let's pull up the 4-hour time frame. Sebastian, are you looking at something on volatility? Because look at this 4-hour, it's curving already. We're expanding right now too, and the 4-hour time frame RSI appears to, oh man, that feels like it wants to break it. A reason why I can say that it wants to break it is because look at the freaking ADX on the 4-hour. 43% with DMI plus on top. Damn. Chad Vivian, what is up, my dude? Zenon, what's up? Ian Tucker, good to see you, bro. Hayes saying HLGN running as well. Damn. Guys, we have... Why is the entire world running right now? Freaking SPY. Let me go and see what... I can't even see it. I mean, for real, though. Hold on, I'm just curious. Damn. If you're stepping into the chat right now, still expecting this to continue onwards and still moving up right now as we speak. Wow. Okay, let's come right back to this, right? Because we are noticing here critical volatility. MYO is also going off. Damn. The real A-Swang, what's up? Okay, so let's see if the bi-hourly and hourly are already combating that. Look, it is. Oh my goodness. Okay, why is Very prepping up for a move right now? What? I don't believe I'm seeing this. Hold on. Holy crap, it is. Money is starting to enter VIRI. Stochastic momentums are already, in the immediate short term, they're already correcting towards a pivot in the upside. Volatility is about to start expanding from a critical zone. RSI is already showing the upside. Money flow inbound. Let me see the 3-hour. What the hell? 3-hour time frame already the upside here. Potential expansion starting too. Bullish crossover on the RSI. Damn. Let me see the 4-hour, which is the minimum one. This is my minimum time frame. Yeah, this is okay. Look at this. If we need to see a little bit of a closer reaction of the stochastic momentum, let's bring up the settings here. and adjust this to a 1-day look back with a smoothing factor of 1. Look at it. Early reflections are giving us upside and continuing. Damn. All right. Very interesting. 4-hour time frame ADX sitting at a massive 43%. Let me see the 8-hour. I want to continue here. 8 hours starting the curve as well. Okay, temporary resistance. The thing here is that if the 8-hour pushes enough, this SMA 14 may be subject to entering the gravitational zone up here, and then your RSI may penetrate through that. One important signal to look at here. It's starting to happen in even candle formation. Damn. Hold on. Wow. 6-hour time frame confirmed bullish engulfing. And the upside is starting from it. 8-hour time frame, 1 hour and 26 minutes to close this bullish engulfing. Jeez. 12-hour time frame, 5 hours and 26 minutes to close this bullish engulfing. What? What the hell? Holy crap. Observing the markets right now is insane. It's just insane, bulls. Insane. The bulls are actually taking it right now, man. I can't believe it. Let's go back to SBEV and see. Guys, the play is going, man. This is going. Wow. Oh, wow. AI apparently is up another. Dude. Sebastian, I think I'm bullish this asset, dude. What the hell? Why is everything a freaking bull run right now? This is incredible. I almost feel like if you're not making cash, where you at? Damn, you guys, this is incredible. So for those of you that did enter the market down here, congratulations, but I have to tell even the latecomers that I think this is a temporary pullback up here. I mean, notice we're here, right? I'm still expecting a potential top side of 59 from 54. So, oh, good. Daryl, that's what I was asking earlier. I wanted to know if anyone knew if PPI came out good. So if PPI came out good, that means that now we have the producer price index inflation report alongside the consumer side bullish as well with beats. Damn. Is this the freaking Fed giving us a Christmas rally? Chee, let's go. Damn, you guys. All right. So let me pull up now ticker symbol WULF as it is beating and combating that SMA 200. Buzz, you did? Let me go ahead. Hold on. Shout out to Buzz right now. Damn it, bro. You got to tag me in these things. Let's see. Let me go to your thing. Okay, all right, team. So let me just go ahead and pull up this window real quick. Make sure to give Buzz Margin Call some love. This is the @ right up in here, right? So make sure to give him some love. And you said you tweeted out. Well, let's see, where is it? Core PPI, retail sales. Okay, I see you posted up the entire thing. Thank you, my brother. No way. So the producer price index increased. I'm sorry. It was at a 0.2%. The forecast was for it to come at 0.3, and we got a 0% on the actual. Guys, I know there's always the potential that, there's always a potential here that we can thank you, Buzz. Thank you so much for sharing this with the community. There's always the potential that these numbers could be manufactured, right? A lot of people speculating that. A lot of people thinking that this could be just a fake out. But damn, if you're gonna fake the PPI and the CPI together, I mean, is that like... how crappy would that be? I mean, the market is getting a mad prop. US1, what is up? Guys, no way. Is that for real? Am I really hearing that right now from the team? All right, so what were the stats saying just yesterday? So, right. So the stats were saying that we fired off a signal yesterday on the what? On the daily time frame, a statistical signal, right? This was a volatility versus momentum backtest. And the signal fired off daily, right? Let's see volatility. Hold on. Yep, the signal fired off on this. Let me just bring it up. It fired off on this candle here at the opening of 472. Statistically speaking, 20 iterations total throughout the entire history of the daily chart, right? So what I mean is that anytime that volatility has contracted into critical zones and we've gotten an expansion phase from this critical contraction paired with an upside pivot of stochastic momentum, there have been 20 of those iterations cataloged by me, right? These are don't think that I'm getting this from anyone. This is my data set here. I'm sorry, my sample set, right? Of every time that did happen. So the results are these. 20 total iterations, 17 guessed correctly to the upside from that criteria. That gives us an 85% probability that we'll get an average upside thrust of 33.40% to the upside. And that 33% is located just under $6.38. That could be right at about $6.20. Let me see. I'll tell you right now. 33... $6.31. That is the 85% probabilities that we get that move. That signal fired off 2 days ago. 3 days ago now. No, well, I guess 1, 2, yeah, 3 days ago now. Frankie B saying, Ian, ASRE has contracts coming literally any day and it will blow up. We own the entire, oh my goodness. Guys, you heard it here first. ASRE, I gotta tell you, man, I remember this, I spoke about it about 2 days ago. This is setting that base. Team, this was the breakout here. This is a macro time frame falling wedge with a breakout and a validation in place. What's happening right now is that this 3-day candle just came back and tested perfectly the regression line, bounced to the upside, and now it's validating the mean band as a support at 2650 or 2640. As soon as we get this validation of support, the bounce to the upside could be pretty monumental, looking at around 38.59 for the first resistance. And then you already know my targets though, right? So we have the topside target leading to a range of 45.41 to 47.26 with a focus at 46.10. Just gonna put it out there like that. All right, so sorry, oh my goodness, man, look at SBEV still going up. Guys, I don't know how more clear I could be. Team, we were at FNGR, right? Okay, so going back to this real quick. 3 days ago, the signal fired. So this is the mean, right? The mean would be 33.4%. Here is the standard deviation though. Check this out. The standard deviation on a standard distribution curve, the bell curve, you're looking at 68% of the results landing at 35, spot 12%. That means an increase of price action to the range of 638 to 649. And guess what's there? One spot 618, golden Fibonacci mean, right at $6.50. Matching the statistics almost to the freaking penny. All right, next thing. I did calculate the upper bound of the first standard deviation and the lower bound of the first standard deviation. Right, so the lower bound already obviously happened. One spot 72%, right? Now, we have the upper bound of the first standard deviation landing right here at 68 spot 52%, aka $7.95. And what is the range high? 797 right up here. What is the one spot 272 Fibonacci ratio? 7 freaking 94. Stupid. Damn. And FNGR is sitting at 521, and I don't know whose freaking line. Guys, give me those A's in the chat right now if you know what I'm talking about when I'm saying the line. It's not good. Guys, right here, this is the resistance of my line. Let me know. Let me know. Who knows what the line means? Like, guys, for those bearish guys out there saying you're about to capitulate to $2, we're going to 6 cents, right? When we were observing this at a bounce at 425, I promise you this, I saw in the tweets, 6 cents next for FNGR. What? Who says that? Now, let's go ahead and just calculate how big the 6 cent move was. Till about 2 minutes ago, FNGR was up 22.5% from stupid. Man, blah. Guys, I guess that was an inverse line that they had. They meant to actually say, if this crosses my line, we're going to the moon. And apparently it did. Damn, dude. Guys, I mean, man, when we were up here, team, I was telling you, yo, we got to talk, right? We got to talk. We got to talk price action. We're printing bearish engulfings and bearish this and bearish that. I'm going to tell you how it is, man. I'm going to tell you where the downside is. And I'm going to give you the scare too. Right? But I will never say something that's good, that's just over the top. Like there's no reason for me to play that scare tactic that a lot of people play on retail. And I'm talking about scare tactics for both long and short. People scare shorts out of the way when they're actually just normal people. People scare longs out of the way when they're actually just normal people. Not cool. Not cool. That means that they have no edge in the game. Right, you guys? I could be doing this by myself in utter silence and just be gaining all by myself. But why? It's fun with you. So let's meet up in the freaking mornings and do it every goddamn day, right? Oh my goodness, man. So yeah, team, if sometimes you wonder why I get that restore your, let me see if I can get it up here somewhere. It's a miracle that I'm not getting that. Yeah, dead miracle that I'm not getting that notification right now from my trading view, because I usually have, look at all the tickers that I have up right now. See the list? Guys, I'm busy. Resistance again for PCSA. Joe H, it's so good to see you here, bro. Right, yeah, dude, this was a pretty massive move. Hold on. I'm going to give you those moves right now. Chat Vivian, what's up, dude? CXAI, yes. And that's actually something that Buzz has been asking me for, too. I got to go over that for sure. know what? You know what? I'm gonna load that one too, brother. I'll load it too. Sebastian, you still in here? Did you get long Viri or what? Damn. Okay, so that was a bi-daily closure of a massive, massive, massive freaking hammer. This candle here would be the confirmation candle for a continuation to the upside if printed green and above the prior bar high, right? So this prior bar high was around 121. This is an OTC at $1.59, by the way. There's a lot of risk in this. Shorts are going to want to get this. I'm surprised they're not getting it yet. Okay, yeah, hidden bearish divergence definitely played out. 5 hours, 11 minutes to close this bi-daily candle. If this candle closes, again, anywhere upside of 119, this is likely going to continue to the upside here and probably going to get a resistance of around 272 in the coming days. Eyeballs on HLGN because this is massively powerful right now. Good job on that one, my bro. Sorry, now let's go back to... sorry, you guys, what were you saying? I never looked at WULF, right? And that's because BTC. Yeah, okay. But man, here's the condition. Right, now I remember. I'm waiting for the closure of the hourly time frame on BTC to close upside of the linear regression band at 36,430. It's at 36,495, okay? So that's like a sneeze away. So if we get this closure here in 11 minutes, which may be there's going to be a front run on this for sure. Look at this thing. This is highly likely going to continue to the upside here and probably test within the hour 36,860. Damn, I want to be trading CME futures on BTC right now. And that is going to pressure WULF to a new high. And I do believe that the resistance that WULF may face, I'll give you the range right now. $113 to $114 even still. Damn. So 109 from that present target to this top side is another 5% even still. And if I get guys, they're let me see. What will continue price action beyond the 114 zone to start testing the resistance of 118 will be simply BTC closing above 36,865. Check this out. 9 minutes, 55 seconds left. This candle is not giving back anything, which is gaining. Very powerful signals. Massive bull flag here, team. Holy crap. I can't believe look at this. ASTS reaching our resistance zone and getting a slight pullback from it already. Okay, so I'm thinking that this is a temporary pullback. It could come right back to 477, right? And I'm going to give you the loading zone. I can't believe the markets right now, man. Wow. 477 to 465 pullback. We'll get this validation in here somewhere, even if it's right at the top. And then there could be a chance here of trying to fill this gap. But I will say, you have to watch out. Got to watch out at 557. That's going to be a focus area, okay? Let's draw it in there. 557, right? Just keeping an eye out for retail right here. Just trying to, heads up, right? I'm going to tag these resistances here in case you want to take like a screenshot of this. Hold on. Loading zone is down here, right? Loading zone could be here. And I will say that to be honest, there is still maybe. I don't know how big of a maybe this is, but I'm going to put it there anyway, right? So 454 could be a potential entry, potential long zone 2. Paper trading, that is. Guys, I want you to hold on just a sec. I got to pull up something right now. Very important. I don't know if you guys have been noticing in my last videos that I've been actually giving a massive shout out, right? But I want to point something out real quick here, because that is something that we should all kind of recognize, right? Hold on. Let me just go ahead and adjust my screens over here. So my man, swing, I think Powder Slave, I think it's going to be a swing on that one. Hold on just a sec. Just a moment, team. So I want you all to go ahead and put your hands together, right? For my man, Powder Slave. I have already shouted this on 2 different videos, but he is a track 2 master student that got a 115 out of 100 score in his final exam. So huge shout out to Powder Slave. He's actually right in here. He just came in. Huge shout out, as this man, I can't tell you how strong of a score this is right here. Guys, please go ahead and wish Powder Slave a congratulations. Put your hands together for Powder Slave right now, you guys. That is 100% above 100%. My bro, that is absolutely incredible. I thought that it would be cool for me to shout it out in some videos, but now that you're here live, I was really waiting for you to come by live one time. And look at the community giving it out to you, man. Thank you for participating and being the #1 master student for the ArcMastersCourse. Powder Slave took the 16-week mentorship and just nailed it, ripped it. ASTS in the loading zone right now. Green Mountain saying, damn. Powder Slave, definitely feel that love, dude. If you feel there's no pressure in this, right? But I would be very happy to give you an analyst badge in the Discord. So I mean, there's no pressure in that. Of course, you don't have to post anything, but if you would like an analyst badge, I can go ahead and provide that for you, and you would be the newest Arca Bulls analyst, man. You are incredible, dude. Massive score. Wow. And you know, there's only a few that do it, man. It's so huge props to you. Awesome, you guys. And thank you, community. Guys, the team. Look at how the team comes through for us, man. It's so cool that we can just all celebrate together and feel the love. Chad, so he's 15% above because I had bonus questions. And Powder Slave saying it was an amazing course. Everyone should take this course, man. So with that said, team, just to put it out there, I am getting the track 3 students just started this Saturday, right? The Saturday that just passed, they started. Everybody's looking good. Everybody's excited. But I got more emails from other people. So I am getting a high amount of interest for the next track, right? So I'm opening enrollment for track 4. So go ahead and get in touch with me at ArcMastersCourse at Gmail. I'll pass you the syllabus. I'll pass you the disclaimer and all that stuff that's pertinent to the course. And Off Grid Gorilla, another A+ student right there. Chad Vivian is another math student, my dude. I know you're gonna pass with flying colors too, man. Dea up in here, another master student. Guys, there's a bunch of master students in here. I love it, man. I love that we can all stick together and really just push it. If you did catch entry at this zone, it's already looking like it's longing from it, right, team? We're bouncing from it. I'm not sure that this is the end, right? I'm not sure that it's not going to come back. It may very well come back to the loading zone, but if you did, I guess you're up. SPY is not stopping, says Tom R. Tom, what did you do to the SPY, bro? How in the world did you break it this awesome? You broke it in. Tom was like, let me tinker with this thing, man. It needs a new spark plug. Let's get it. Ian Tucker, I'm sure you're gonna pass it beyond that, dude. I'll see you, Powder Slave. Be safe, be well. Love you, man. Okay. SPY is looking a little. Okay. It's getting a. Hourly time frame is facing a resistance potentially. It feels like it's gonna want to touch that 451.76 again. Am I reading that correctly? 1 minute. Holy crap, I don't even know where it's gonna go. Let's see. Steve, that's because there's no volatility in it. So the move to the upside is gradually growing. Wait. Yeah. So it's gradually moving. So that's why your calls are not printing right now. I'm thinking that this can get another. Look at this. This is the RSI coming up to the resistance of the SMA 14, right? So Veery's moving. Holy crap, it is. Damn. It is up almost 10% on the day. Daily time frame, DBSI, 76% bull strength. Dude, I think let me see real quick. I'm sorry, you guys. Hold on. Guys, there's not many people I shed light on like that, like I did for Powder Slave. But I have to tell you, team, that I do have some master students with serious edge, Off-Grid Gorilla being one of them. Sebastian Lim is actually my apprentice, man. These guys are all master students, and they're so damn talented at what they do. I think, dude, I was going to actually say this. See the SMA 200 located at 97.90? I think that it can go to there, and then it'll, let me move the chart up. I'm presuming you can do this. Check this out. We'll get the, what the hell? I think I'm going to need new batteries soon. We could get that SMA 200 test on the daily because it's getting closer to that SMA 200, meaning that Veery may start shifting into bull market territory. Okay, so we can get this grab of the SMA 200, and then I see us coming back down to the EMA 55, which is very confluent to all of this support or resistance right up here. Right, so the EMA 55 would be the area for bounce at 84 before actually getting ourselves up to the daily time frame SMA 100 at 116, back to the SMA 200 97, and onwards. I have a feeling this is going to start. Look at this zigzag, right? Does that look familiar? See what I mean? It's doing that. So I have a feeling that this is going to do that exact thing. Look at this. Resistance at the SMA 10. Pull back. We beat the SMA 10, EMA 21. We get the EMA 55. Pull back to the 21. Now the 21, resistance at the SMA 200. Pull back to validate the 21. Now we're upside of the SMA 10 and the EMA 21. And we just tested, perfectly tested the SMA 50. very likely for us to test again the SMA 200, just like we did, and then pull back here to start validating the SMA 50, the 50 and the 55 EMA as a support before a continuation to the upside. Dude, I think that the minimum move right now would be 97.90 from where we are. Minimum, probably in the next day or two. You know what I'm saying? You know what I mean, Jelly Bean? So it's feeling pretty damn frothy. It looks amazing. So, dude, congratulations to you for gaining that entry. But yeah, I think price action is looking massive here. Because of the SMA 50, you mean? I don't know. Let's see. Let me take a look at the RSI. So you just want to know if the high is in today. No. No, in fact, it's actually about to realize a freaking inverse head and shoulders on a damn 12-hour. No, dude, the high is not in today. Look at the bi-hourly time frame RSI approaching the gravitational zone here. Dude, Viri is likely to continue to the upside today. Let me see. Hold on, I want to see the major pivots here. I need just raw candles right now. I need nothing else other than candles. We already tested that resistance. Okay, I see the next one. Okay, I see the resistance range. Your next resistance, dude, is likely 83.12, and I'm going to give you a range, okay? Oh, yeah. Yeah. 83.12 to 86. Hold on. There's no wrong in saying that we can focus it at 84.70. And that is my final thesis on this for now. Yeah. Damn. FNGR is moving up. What's up, Joel? Okay, so, yeah, I have something to talk about here with AI, but dude, yeah, dude, Sebastian, eyeballs on this one, dude, because I was talking about the retracement back to the EMA 55. Look at the test. That's where the EMA 55 is located right now, and I'm saying that my discretion is actually playing out in more than one way. The SMA 55, I think, was in the 4 hour, I think. I forgot where we were. And also, this is... I know this is a weird candle here, but yeah, dude, this thing is playing a silly game right now. It actually bear trapped. Big time bear trap. I'm not sure if this is actually the play happening right now, dude, but wow. If that was the case, that was nasty. That was a nasty trap from the bulls. Hold on. It's just, I'm like having trouble connecting it too. But it could probably be a smaller time frame. Damn, dude, this thing is continuing. Bro, 78.01 already. Temporary pullback at the SMA 12, at the SMA 100 too. Keep an eye on 80.63. but I have a feeling that this thing may be able to get up to that 83.12 to 86 with a 84.70 concentrated zone or focus. So I'm just going to put these up like this for you, right? $84.70. $83.11. And this would be the first one right here. $80.63 could be a potential pullback area as well because of the SMA 100. That would be a loading area, right? This thing could likely come back to around 76.69 or maybe 77 cents before continuing to the upside. SPY dropped a bit. I would assume so. We're getting closer to lunchtime. We're still about an hour away from it. So it would only be natural for it to do it. So, yeah, Sebastian, eyeballs on this one, dude. Eyeballs on it. Yeah, Tony, if it can drop a little bit and take a breather, it could literally rally. It could continue even still. So FNGR, let's give it a quick look. Man, holding 519 strong. Off-Grid Gorilla saying, Sensei, you think SBEV 60 plus today, Friday? That's what I see in my... Yeah, so let me go back to SBEV real quick. And I'll go over my thesis yet again because I do think that this has... Okay, so hourly time frame pullback. Let me see why the pullback is happening shy of the SMA 200. Well, we would have to observe some immediate short-term time frame, right? So, okay, golden cross on the 15-minute. Why is that pullback? Why is it? Let's see. Oh, okay. Oh, dude, yeah. It's the EMA 21 on the daily. I'm telling you that EMA 21 plays very nicely. And we said that this would be a temporary pullback at the mean, right? I think I did. But yeah, that 54.85... The pullback can come back down to 53.10. Damn, it's a very tight range though. 53.76 to 53.10. Loading zone. Yeah, I think that this could be the loading zone right down here. And then I see this combating the EMA 21 today. Let me observe. Oh man, this is so damn strong. ADX sitting at 28%. This is a full-on validation. This is a full-on confirmation of a statistical upside here. I haven't even back-tested this. But this signal here with the upside... The upside on stochastics, right, guys? This is what the master students learn in the ArcMasters course. This is called the footprint model. So the footprint model consists of volatility versus momentum on whatever time frame you have. The conditions are contracting from a critical zone or expanding from critical. And right now, this is contracting from critical with a massive upside on stochastics. And the final validator, which I added not too long ago to the footprint, is the DMI. The DMI indicator has the DMI plus now starting to indicate a completion or a complete crossover above the DMI minus. So the bulls are trying to take over the bears, and the ADX is telling you how strong the trend is. The trend right now is sitting at 28% with the bulls pushing upwards. When the ADX is sitting at a minimum 25%, that's already indicating a strong market trend. But when the ADX is sitting at 30, that's validation. And guys, this signal here for the SBEV is full. I mean, I'm talking about 97, 98% fired. The probabilities for a continuation to the upside here are great. And I don't think that this, I mean, guys, I think this could be a couple days play. Stochastic momentum versus money flow index indicator printing a very rare buy signal. Don't usually get those buy signals. Look at this. The last time it printed one was on April this year. We're in freaking November. Before that, it printed a buy signal here on September 2022. Let's go over those conditions there. Let's put them down. This is the way we backtest. April 26th, right? So let me go back. Here's the other one. I know I'm moving here on the thing, but I'm looking down here, right? I have the mouse up here, but I'm looking down here for reference. Okay, see what I mean? See in the bottom right? And there. That's another one. Here is another one right here. You can just see how long it takes, right? March 2022, September 2022. This is April 2023, and we just got the next one printed all the way up to November 2023. Okay, so yeah, look at this, right? Let's go to this iteration here. Let's get rid of the moving averages. Let's highlight this area here. Let's get rid of our momentum. I'm sorry, our indicators. Signal fired off here, and it moved from $1.20 to a high of $1.31. Okay, so the upside did work there. Signal fired off down here at 185. Price action reached $2.20. Another positive iteration. Signal fired off here at 263. Price action went to 293. The signal was good here too. And I think that was the last one so far. So the backtest on this is playing out pretty good. Now, the thing is that we're just backtesting only that indicator. So now if we look back, right? So again, I have my mouse on volatility here. You see the circle? I'm going to have my mouse in here, but I'm really going to be looking at this too. I want to see when the firing of the signal happened in relation to volatility. We want to see if this signal fired off while volatility was expanding or contracting from critical. So if it's not doing it, that means that it got an upside despite volatility having it present there. And would mean that the move that we're going to get today would be a lot stronger because we are coming out of critical moves. Because, I mean, we're literally coming out of the critical expansion. It's now contracting, right? So let's take a look right over here where this circle is. So now let me get my tool. Actually, I don't need the tool. Oh yeah, look at this. The signal fired off after it started expanding, after it started contracting, sorry. So that was a good move. And this is the position that we are presently right now, right over here. Very similar time frames. And also look at the stochastic momentum. It was on an upside pivot. We have stochastics on an upside pivot here too. Very similar iterations. And if we look at the RSI, upside pivot on the RSI, now the thing is that the upside pivot was not quite there yet. We were facing downward. But when this signal fired, look at the signal right now. Huge upside, right? So that's a small difference there. Now let's go back to this iteration here. Again, this iteration is starting to contract, but did not reach critical. And it did have an upside pivot on stochastic. So that means that this signal on the stochastic oscillator, this one down here, is valid even without critical volatility. So let's go back. Another one, it did not enter the critical zone. And it still got an upside here. Okay, so more often than not, based on this little backtest that we just did, more often than not, the signal has fired for the stochastic momentum indicator. It has fired even without volatility coming down or coming up from critical expansion or critical contraction. So now that we have one single iteration where price action, where volatility and stochastics have both met, that means that the move that we're getting right now could be a lot stronger than the ones before. And that I would need to backtest. But like I said, team, there are several. Let me go back in this. No way. Look at this. It fired off and we had a daily bullish engulfing right down here. We fired off right here and we have we fired off right here and we have a daily bullish engulfing right down there as well. Let's see. Okay, no bullish engulfing on that one. And no bullish engulfing on this one either. Nice. And yeah, that's it. Okay, so yeah, one of these two iterations have a bullish engulfing printed before the upside. Yeah, so that gives it more strength. That means we have more signal to the upside. Now, the one more thing we want to do is let's take a look at the following day's volume and the current day when the signal fired. Signal fired on the daily here with a volume of 109,000. And the volume right now, currently, without the day finishing, still a half a day away, is already at 250,000. It's already twice the volume without the day ending yet. So when the last signal fired off, 143,000. The next day was 45,000 and then it followed up to 143. So we have way more volume than that iteration. Signal fired here at an even lesser volumetric, 96%. Next day came up to 51. So we have way more volume than this time too. And now let's look at this one. 156,000 in volume. The following day was 371. This is similar to it. So that was an entire day with 371,000. For some reason, I believe that we're going to combat that 371,000 volume by the end of the day today. 250,000 in volume already here. This thing is going to pump. Yeah, Off-Grid Gorilla, sorry that it took so long. But yeah, dude, my resistance zones 5605 to 5905 with a focus of 5707 minimum. So this area would serve as a resistance so we can come back down to the 5576 or the 55 or the 5609 before a continuation to the upside. Gal, my master student, of course I can. So that is it for, oh dude, 81 cents Very, let's go. Let's go. We were able to catch the upside. We were able to see the upside already an hour ago, team. This is awesome. Congratulations to those. And then also, where is, yeah, ASTS, is, here it is. It's back in the loading zone. And I forgot which other one, right? It was SBEV. Yeah, we just looked at that. Perfect. Now, I know we have HLGN in the way, but let me get my master student out of the way. I know, bro. Sebastian, you're looking good on Very, my dude. Very, very, very happy that we were able to catch that upside. 81.20 and inclining. Guys, I literally said this like an hour ago, saying that this thing is really prepping it. Like it wants to go to $1 again. So if you did catch entry when I said that, congratulations to you. I have a feeling we're going to catch more and more and more. Off-Grid Gorilla sharing with us that SBEV PO contract. The news is imminent this week. So that's what you're hearing. Oh, dude, that's awesome. Thank you, Off-Grid. Very, 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 very cool. Finger beating it, going to 523, says Mark Roach. Chad Vivian CXA, I can't forget it, right? I can't forget it. Okay, so let me take a look at the ticker for, okay, I'm going to put it over here. And Gal, where are you at? SLDB. Let me pull up the daily time frame. $158,000 on finger. Is it increasing? Okay. So, yeah, holding holding the line here. There is a tiny daily gap and the SMA 50 and the EMA 55 acting as support. Okay, so I can see this tiny gap kind of holding it down. I'm not sure. I think it may actually, come down to test the bottom side of that gap again, which would be 275. So in case it does that, EMA 55 is located at 274. Let's do this. It just touched the 275, by the way. There it is. So that's presently the focus. It's at the focus right now, with a potential to touch that 274 for a support. We need to see if this can hold it though. Entered at 267, you are at 274. Nice. Hold on. 30-minute time frame bouncing off of the EMA 21 and using the SMA 10 right here, the green line. I gotta make that super visible, right? Okay. Okay, 30-minute bullish engulfing here. Well, let me see the hourly. Resistance range at the hourly time frame, 36 minutes to close. This may come back down. I'll give you the range. This may come back down to load, but it's still kind of bullish though. It can rise one more time to the SMA 10, but there's a condition here. Let me tag them up for you. SMA 10 is currently a resistance, okay? And your SMA 14 on the RSI is also a resistance, but it is in the gravitational zone, which makes it a little difficult to read because price action can get pulled up here. So the hourly time frame is suggesting that we would combat the SMA 10, seeing that it's in the gravitational zone here with the SMA 14. And then there is an implied probability to close this hourly in 35 minutes above specifically this target, 284. If you do not close this hourly candle in 35 minutes above 284, we will come back to 255 to 261. If it closes above 284, your resistance levels will start appearing at about 306. It is very conditional. 306 to 309 with a potential top side of 319 to the top side of the linear regression channel at 316. So let me put those down here for you too. Right? You catch my drift? And then this would be the last one here. There we go. So please remember, we said 284, right? So I'm going to tag it there too for you. It needs to close above that 284 in 33 minutes, 45 seconds. Yeah, I have to agree with Off Grid Gorilla. I know you have your positions in that. I am also very bullish this ticker. It does have a potential Off Grid on the daily time frame regression band. Yeah, it has a potential of 61.27. SBEV, yes. So yeah, guys, I think you were If you did catch the entry down here at 53.10 to 53.76, congratulations, you are up. You're definitely in the green now. CXAI, daily time frame ripping right now. It's about almost 7% up on the day. Completely covering this gap here. Closed it. Completely filled it. Nice. Resistance range is coming up. I'll show you that one right now. Yeah, guys, but AI is... Oh, this is C3AI, right? That's right. CXAI is the one that you want. So just in case anybody's trading it, since I'm already here, I've been charting this one too. Resistance at 32.72 to 33.67. This is definitely continuing. Holy crap, this is continuing. Full on signal fired. Damn. Let's go to CXAI. On ticker symbol AI. Let me look at the CXAI though. Hold on, Daniel. I think this is the one, bro. Lauren, that's what I was just, it's funny that you're just stepping in right now. I was about to tell Buzz Margin Call that you were talking about this days and days and days. But Buzz, Lauren, I don't know if you talked to Buzz Margin Call, but Buzz is also very, very much into the AI sector. He's the one that put me on to a few tickers actually, and I think yeah, like for example, he was the one that put me onto CXAI, BTAI, and ticker symbol AI as well. He also put me onto the quantum sector of ARQQ, IONQ, and QBTS. He looks at things similarly to how you do. Off-Grid Gorilla, you're very welcome. Oh, Lauren, you do know? Yeah, dude, yeah. But yeah, Buzz, Lauren has been preaching and like just drilling into our heads the potentials of AI. I mean, you know, their pockets are getting deeper here, right? More opportunity. So let me see this. So Buzz, just real quick, this is the one, right? Well, CLMV playing out just like we're saying. Nice. Good deal. All right, so we got the green light. Damn, this just faced a temporary pullback, but this is starting expansion. The signal actually fired off back here. So it's been consolidating since the signal fired, but it looks like volatility is entering. Upside pivot on stochastics on a daily with expanding. Yeah, that's a this thing definitely fired off. Daniel, it's unfair for me to say indefinitely. But the probabilities of it coming back to $4 are they're really not. I don't unless somebody really, you know, puts in a huge freaking narrative. I mean, you know what I mean, right? Like, I have to watch what I say, right? So if there is nefarious activity, then it could be introduced there by force. Right, so Yeah, but Daniel, you can, yeah. You know, it's just, we're live, right? So it's hard for me to really call things out like that. But yeah, that's pretty much it. FTSE. I have a couple tickers to look at, team. Just bear in mind here, right? So let me. What is it? FTSE. I gotta say, I've never looked at that ticker before. Well, which one is it? FTSE. Is that the UK 100 daily? Buzz, I'm gonna look at it right now. Hold on. Yes, I do. By the way, yes, I do. The signal's fired. It's definitely upside coming. Is it the one that I'm highlighting over, the UK 100? Or you're looking at, there's a... Oh, yeah, no problem, KF. I got you. I just want to make sure that I'm looking at the right one, right? Can you tell me what this measures? I've never really looked at this. Let's see. So, KF. Okay, so yeah, I guess I just wanted to make sure that I can treat it like that. And one more thing, could you tell me if this is levered? I just want to, I would like to know if this has like the ProShares behavior, right? I mean, I don't think this is more like the SMP, right? Like the SPX. Or like the NDX. Is it fair for me to say to kind of like say it like that? Oh, okay. So yeah, the IWM would be the small caps. Okay. All right. So yeah, I guess it would be fair to treat it that way. Okay. So yeah, let me. I will look at that, but I have to get back to CXAI. Also, it's freaking burning in the studio. I'm gonna get back into these. Right. I gotta look at it. These are the four tickers that I have to look at right now. So CXAI, HLGN, SLDB, and FTSE. We're gonna peep those out. And hold on, 2670. So for now, let me just put in FNGR. And if you guys want to catch, hold on. Damn, sitting at 522. How awesome is that? Whew. Man, it already hit 526. Jeez. Okay, hold on, team. Let me turn on the air because it's getting ridiculous in here. Lauren, has Aiden texted you? Has he texted you about that? I'm talking about him showing up as a. I haven't seen Aiden actually. You know what? Hold on. Let me. I'm wondering if he texted me. Let me. Hold on. What the hell? When did he send this? 8:30. Okay. Let me check. Let me check on that. Hold on just a moment. He's saying he thinks he got banned. Hold on. Just a sec. I'm actually asking my security team right now, team. Just a quick sec. Thanks, Lauren. Thank you so much for letting me know. He did text me, and I just didn't. I just didn't see it. Let's see. Also, let me go ahead and dude. Oh yeah, dude. Yeah, can't do that to Aiden, dude. I've actually taken Aiden under my wing, dude. You know. Oh, I told you the last time, right? He's yeah, dude. I care about that kid a lot. Let me make sure that, just in case I can't see it, I'm asking my security to make sure to check his thing, because I personally. Just a sec, team. We'll come right back to it. Is it really coming down? Yeah, expect a bounce here. There's still 15 minutes left to close, but it's going to be during the freaking lunchtime. This candle must close beneath 450.04. It must close in 15 minutes below 50.04. 450.04. %, Lauren. And dude, I can't even tell you how much I appreciate that you helped him with his math the other day. Always during lunch, brother. It just switches up. Are my messages coming through? They're definitely checking in on it, Aiden, but if you can, try to type in something, buddy. Let me see. Yeah, dude, let me know, bud. Let me know if you can come through. Yeah, careful. Yeah, it's always going to be right here in this area here, right? So the thing is that if it doesn't close above that, I'm sorry, if it does not close below 450. Oh, now that the candle's out of the way, I can measure it. Hold on. 450.06. Yeah. So 450.06. Holy crap. It's like it can't make the decision. So if it closes above 450.06, generally bullish. And if it closes below 450.06, generally bearish. Aiden, buddy, if you're still there, go ahead and try, just in case. Okay, so you're not... So you are typing in the chat? All right. Let me do something right now for you. Hold on, hold on, hold on, yeah. Let's see. How's guys? Keep me up to 512 and FNGR. You know what I didn't realize is just how freaking crazy the YouTube settings are. This thing is gnarly. Aiden, bro, have you tried to restart your system by any chance? And the reason I'm asking because we're not seeing you in the blocked list. Are you on mobile? Let's see. Ten minutes left to close the SPY. Keep an eye on it, team, while I try to figure this out here with, you know, for Aiden real quick. Let me do something. Aiden, you're... Yeah, I'm not... Okay. Oh my goodness. $45 more. Damn, I have so many. Oh, yeah. I see. Yeah, dude, Aiden, hold on. I see you in the hidden. I see you in the settings that you're hidden. Aiden, come back to your original account and try again. Oh, right, you found him too, Martina. Got him. Yeah. Yeah, there you are. Cool. All right, big chillin'. Hey, Chris, thank you so much for that. Aiden is back in the role. Dude, I'm so sorry, man. We're good though. Apparently you appeared like a spammer. 6 minutes to close, team. Yeah, he was in purgatory for sure. He got purgatured. So you guys know how you guys know when lunchtime is like kind of a terrible time to trade, right? Dangerous times here. Yeah, this is really interesting. The 5-minute time frame SPY. I mean, damn it. It may have an odd opportunity to fall beneath the SMA 200, but 449.01 would be the EMA 200. You said what's up, Arca, like 20 times. I was like just not saying anything. Dude, it was actually Lauren that came to your rescue. He was like, bro. Aiden Davis, he got like banned. But I unhid you from the channel from all the maniacs. Yeah, eyes on this. I know that some of you already. I'm sorry. I know that some of you still have open positions here, right? So there is a chance that the 5-minute time frame comes down below the SMA 200, but it's very conditional. Let me see the 450.06 is what we said. 450.13 is the EMA 7. But yeah, if the SPY does not close, or if it closes beneath 450.06, then it's typically bearish. But remember that the lunchtime could present some little dangers. And price is currently supporting from the hourly time frame gap right here. $449.75. Yeah, dude, that support there, Tom. I'm seeing there's like this. What is the low here? 449.65 is the bottom, is the top side of the bottom side of this gap, or I guess top, however you want to hear it. Kitties Never Die is also banned. No wonder I haven't seen him. Or hidden. Let me go see. Okay. Let's see. Yeah, you guys, there's apologies, team. Let's see here. Sorry, I just got to make sure that Kitties gets. I got to just make sure that Kitties gets brought into the goody. Okay. Zephram, dude, he's Lauren, Zephram is dealing with some personal stuff. So for sure, yeah, for sure that, but for kitties. Ah, kitties never die. Got you. Guys, if there's anyone else in the chat that's potentially banned, please let me know or let someone know. Kitties is back in. Kitties never die. I got you. I see you back in the chat. So, Sensei, check out the EMA 200 on the 3-minute bouncing off just like it did yesterday on my put play. Yeah, that's the 3-minute time frame. That would be generally over, right? For a downside. Here's the 8 seconds left. All right. Yeah, for those of you that still have your position there, just be very careful. Let's try to go over it. So it closed beneath the regression band. So this is technically very bearish now. And it also closed. Yeah, my goodness. These could be validations of resistance on the way up. Yeah, it would honestly be the 449s, and right about here. So I mean, there's always a potential where it comes back up to 450.06, but you know how that goes sometimes. It may not even do it, but generally it would be here. But guys, it's just lunchtime. It's very, very dangerous to trade here. So I want to keep an eye on this for some retail here that I know has some open risk. Yeah, so this is what I mean. It may come back up to validate some resistances. Yeah, you're distracted with this. Oh, that sucks. I'm sorry to hear. Hope the baby's okay. Yeah, it's just it's a little tough, right? So the EMA 7 on the 5-minute 2. That's it's a strong resistance there. But I want to. I think off grid. You have exposure in right now, right? $4.99. Yeah, Sasquatch, you're thinking that it could come back down to $4.99? I hear it. I totally hear it. Another thing is, yeah, I just want to make sure that the team is okay here. It's showing very bearish, right? I mean, technically, this is a play for the downside now. Cool. He's younger than my boy. Oh, to Long the Spy. Honestly, right now is a short play. So the downside could be limited, though. Let's see. Yeah, there may be if it does continue to the downside, at least in the hourly, there could be a drop to around 448.48. Know what I mean, Jelly Bean? And generally, it's a little tough to get it to get those really awesome gains right on the during lunch because there's contraction. Let's see the 5-minute close. Yeah, the 5-minute time frame looks like it's building a bear flag. Yeah, a lot of contraction happening here. Oh, you're okay. Off-grid Gorilla, you're definitely in. Good. I want to make sure that I can just kind of oversee it while I'm with you, right? Oh, the teaser in here? What's up, teaser? Good to see you. It's just that support at the SMA 200. You know, it's a little tough, but something's bound to give in. Let's see. Yeah, trying to come back up to validate the EMA 7 is still doing this. It feels like it's creating this triangle here on the 5-minute. Yeah. Man, teaser, you're the best, bro. Okay, let's see if it catches that EMA 7 resistance here. This price action is so, man. Got. Yeah, Aiden and oh, that's right. Yeah, that's the real A Swang outside of the meetings now. What's up, my bro? What is going on, my bro? So this would have Daniel. I mean, if you wanted to play the lunch, are you talking about for entry right now for the lunchtime? Because that's like around there, right at that 450.06. But it's just lunchtime is very dangerous, you know. But figuratively speaking, it would technically be right there. And then if we're observing, Yeah, not so used to the 3 minute time frame, to be honest. But it's yeah, I mean, it's still reading pretty negative there. Danielle. Oh man. I mean, I hear you. I know. I mean, phew. Imagine if I was trying to do the same thing you were, right? When I had James was hella sick, right? So I had to try. Whew. But at some point at one point when I reached this certain, like, I don't want to say certainty, when I reached comfort in trading, I would guys, hold on just a sec. The little lady is here. Let me go say goodbye. Just a moment. There could be a continuation to the downside here if we get that 5 minute closure beneath the SMA 200 in 1 minute and 28 seconds. The probability is there, but man, it's conditional. So that's already breaking beneath all the prior bar lows. Origin, I'll talk to you soon, buddy. I mean, could it be? Okay, probably not going to get the closure beneath the SMA 200, so which would be another closure beneath the EMA 7. It's still bearish. You still in, Off-Grid Gorilla? Okay, this is a... Yeah, that was a closure beneath the EMA 7 and pretty clean. There may be an opportunity here to get this 5 minute to be a bearish engulfing. Nice. Falling beneath the SMA 200 again. Man, it feels like it wants to fall off. But Off-Grid Gorilla, you're still in, right, buddy? I know if you're driving, don't answer. It's all good. Because this also feels like a dead cat bounce here. One minute chart feels a little... Yeah, but I don't usually trade the 1 minute. Were those the opportunities I was speaking about, Green Mountain? For SBEV, were those the, is that the entry? And I don't know, Sebastian, are you still in, buddy? Are you in Viri right now? Oh, you're feeling that it could be an after lunch dump. Yep. I mean, we're very close to that potential, right? FNGR is at 496, it looks like. Man, that's so much uncertainty in the immediate short term. But like I said, team, this is I mean, closing beneath the regression band here in an hourly time frame, that usually is 493 now. That usually is a bearish case. $490. Let's see, Berenson. Hold on. Let me check the 15-minute. Let me go down to the 10. Let's see, the 5, I think we were just there, nothing, right? Let's go to the 4. Nada. Let's see the 3. Okay, nothing there. Yeah, we have one strike of manipulation so far on the buy minute. Let's go to the 1 minute. Yep. Second strike on a 30-second interval. Let me go to the, hold on just a moment. Could be the same iteration, actually. Yeah, same one. But looked at in 3 different time frames already. Very interesting. 15 seconds showing another. Yeah, so there are, 2 strikes of manipulation thus far. Thank you for asking, my brother. Meow manipulation. I couldn't even say the word out loud. Yeah, all this stuff is looking so damn good. And 490, yeah, so that's 496. I mean, does it feel like it wants to fall off? My goodness. The real A Swang, I completely encourage that. I 100% encourage what you just said. Yep, that's our general rule. Definitely don't want to trade the lunchtime. Contraction happens during that time. But I've noticed that, like Off-Grid Gorilla tends to load up just before that and weathers the lunchtime. And sometimes serves as like a really early preload for a huge dump. Very interesting times. You like to play the Power Hour, Lauren? Yep, as institutions go out to lunch. Contraction happens lunchtime. Yeah, man. Yeah. So I think it's probably I think it's dollar bound. Very could be displaying a serious amount of and really though, like a serious amount of strength. It's prepping for a crazy upside. More volatility in power hour. Yeah. Absolutely agreed, brother. 100% agreed. Options are implied volatility, IV. That's right. They are entirely dependent on implied volatility, which is where you get your Vega metric from. Teaser. Oh yeah. So chat, there's a so I'm sure that there's people with edge during that time. Right? Like me and my personal like issues and stuff, I just you know. It's just I've lost back in the day. I've lost a lot of money during lunchtime, so I personally set a rule for myself not to trade it, because things tend to shift there, man. They shift. Especially with zero DTEs, man. But yeah, I mean, if you play them for very, very short-term scalps, they can be big gainers. Know what I mean, Jelly Bean? So, chat, are you trading? Are you trading right now? So Ian Tucker, I'm holding FNGR puts for Friday. You think they're going to try to dump the stock to stop options payout? It really does feel like it's going to do that, right? You play a couple weeks out? Nice. So, oh man, so me personally, I love playing zero DTEs for like 5 minutes. If they play out for 10 or 30, 15 to 30 minutes, let it be. But yeah, not very much not a long time at all. What kind of plays, Buzz? Oh yeah, yep. I gotcha. Yeah, Chad, I have to agree with that, man. It's a good safety metric. Yeah, as long as you know yourself. Danielle, did you sell that with a loss? You know what? I don't know if I don't know if he is. Let me see. I'm wondering the same. Let me hold on, guys. I'm gonna see if I can. I need to look into that. If that's the case, Double X, I'm coming to your rescue. Gotta know where the bro is. Let's see. I don't know. Nice, bro. Let's see. All right, so yeah, let's take a look here. I found the menu. Yeah, what the hell? I noticed there's a couple people in there that shouldn't be. I'm looking just a sec. Oh, what the hell? Bob is in there too? Bob, if you're watching, dude, I got you. George T, if you're watching, I got you. Yeah, let me. Guys, does anybody know? Oh, nice. Bob, you are here. What the hell? Yes, Ian. Yes, I have a security team behind me. Guys, I have a feeling I've seen, not Buzz Margin Call, but I think I have a feeling I've seen a user by the name of Boring Buzz. Can anyone tell me if I'm tripping? You're a stalker? Bob, you haven't seen that name? Okay. You were for some reason hidden. So if you're listening in the chat right now and you are not able to be heard or you're not able to comment, please how about a Jacob Adams? Does anyone know that? Negatory. Buzz Stalker. And what about a user by the name of Motivation09? Does anyone know? I'm just kind of pointing out things that look questionable. Negatory. Okay. Yeah, other than that, I don't think I see anyone else. But yeah, if you are listening and you are hidden from the channel or somehow banned, tag me in Twitter so I can see what the hell is going on. And then I shall put you back in the chat. Like, see that? See, I feel like I've seen a name of Jacob Adams too. I'm not sure. Honestly, I don't. It may not be anything. My lord. Joey, I got you. I see you. Sasquatch, you have a wrench. And then I'm also going to go out on a limb here. I'm not sure if Rosa is in, but I'm going to remove her from the hidden list because I definitely have a Rosa in my students. And then also Brian P. The new security team's got to bite like a pit bull. It's like, wait a second. Did you just tell Arca to shut up? You're banned. Teaser saying, be careful or you may get bonked. Ah, dude. Kitties Never Die. See, saying, let's see. Trade Spotting on YouTube, on Twitter too. Jamie Curran. And also his brother Rocky Outcrop. I have to say, I don't know them. Doom, doom, doom. Yeah, other than those names, I don't know who else could be. You're fired. Yeah, you guys, I think I may have I may have removed all of the regulars from the hidden list. Oh, they're TA masters? Yeah. Let me go. Let's see. Oh yeah. Kitties never die. I'm straight up looking for them right now. But I'm not. Dude, tag me on Twitter because I'm not seeing it. Did Crypto get fired? No. Let's see. Just a sec. I'm looking. Let's see. Hold on. I'm just explaining to security what I'm really looking for. Let's see. If I ever get Okay, I explained the criteria. Right, I want to make sure that we don't have, that we don't have the team there just holding there. So that's why I'm saying, if you're listening into the channel right now, team, and you cannot type or you can't hear me, or I'm sorry, more like if you can't type at all and it seems like we're ignoring you, please consider tagging me in Twitter, at Arca Bulls, and just say it there, Arca, you can't hear me, but I'm here. And I'll go ahead and double check your permissions. Or yeah, that's right, Aiden Davis, or send a message in Discord. Lauren, did you want a wrench? Nice. So the spy is actually bouncing back from that top side. Oh, Bob, I didn't. I get a high volume of messages everywhere. So now, yeah, you know what? That's a good wake up call for me to maybe check all of the comments. Damn. Damn. Oh, what the hell, Lauren? Of course, dude. Hold on, I need to get you. I'm just gonna type in whatever in the chat so I can get you up. right? Because there we go. Now you can access your menu. I'm gonna add you as a standard mod, and please, yeah, dude, like, oh my goodness, man, you would have had it a long time ago if you wanted it. Jose Giron, I see you here, brother. Yeah, it's good that you're saying that you are here, right? Because there's a potential to where you one day want to speak to me, and then you're, probably put it in a hidden list without knowing. You'll literally never get in touch. Cryptic, I just spoke to him last night. He's cooling. Let me see. Yeah, and I mean, I know that yesterday he did not trade. Yeah, I know that yesterday he didn't trade, right, because of CPI. It's usually not. Batter, I see you in here. Dude, are you really trading that? Yeah, man? Damn. Okay, so it's so funny that you're asking me right now on the bi-weekly chart, because in July I stated that GME is likely to fall to $11.99, where the 2-spot 618 is located at $11.95, and price action looks like it hit today. A low of $11.83. Damn. And then Arca is a chill. He is the short. No, man, I'm not the short. December 6th? Probably. It looks like, well, TradingView has the 12th, but I wouldn't doubt it. I would not doubt it, but dude, this feels like it's... Man, so, okay, check this out. This is a bi-weekly candle, and this is where it's gonna get very dangerous. Arca, what you are, we are too. I'm a donut. Just playing. Yeah, guys, I was just gonna say that this is Abel, what's up, buddy? Okay, gotcha. Yes. My main targets are actually down here. And first of all, 2 days and 4 hours to close this bi-weekly iteration. Okay. So that means here's a condition. If this candle closes, right, it opened up here. It opened at $13.99. So if this candle closes anywhere beneath this prior green candle, which is the opening at $13.27, closing anywhere beneath $13.27 would mark off a bearish engulfing formation and the first candle to close clean beneath the bi-weekly SMA 200. Stupid bearish. Mad gains to the downside. Put play all damn day. The gates of hell, they have opened. Yeah, they'll probably switch it to longs. Yeah, man, I guess this could be a final hoorah to the downside, but dude. So if there is a further downside here, $9.68 to 10.04. And the honest reason is because we just broke beneath that invalidation zone, 1560. You don't want to mess with that, boy. Dude, I mean, it's just, this is such a dangerous thing on the bi-weekly batter. It's like killing me. I hope they're not just trying to run it. Three hours and 10 minutes to post a huge shooting star. Very bearish. Let me see the daily. Daily time frame, 3 hours and 9 minutes to print a shooting star as well. And this is the top side of the regression channel here, man. So if this thing prints beneath that regression channel, yeah, minimum target first would be 1273. Damn, there could be a possible buyback. That would be super bullish. But the charts are not indicating that. They're indicating some bearish action. So we must be super careful. Okay. So yeah, man, keep an eye on this closure in 3 hours. I would be very careful there. And FNGR, where the hell is it? 488, of course, right after we get the strikes of manipulation. There you go. I'll see you, Danielle. Be safe. Be well. I definitely will. And please take care of the baby, too. Mad hugs. Mad loves. Guys, you really think that could be that bullish? Like for GME, you really feel that it could? Yeah. That's what people want? Like, is that what sentiment is speculating? Like, you know what I mean? Could it be? So Kitties is saying that it would be ultra bullish. What is everyone else feeling? I mean, obviously, historically speaking, the thing has had like huge upside. Ian is thinking it could be a rug pull. I mean, I don't blame a feeling like that. Yeah, it feels like it can come back down to that 960 area, right? Yeah, Ryan Cohen, I remember how excited everyone was when he took the reins. I distinctly remember that. Yeah, no, I mean, the real A Swang, me too. No way in hell I will ever long that again. or I just won't play it. I mean, there's literally infinite amounts of awesome other trades. You know, and then honestly, team, I'm like moving on to like, you know, I'm just moving on to blue chips and large caps, even mid caps at that, in search of the safer play. Oh, so Bob is saying my beef with Cohen is what he did to BBBY. Not good. Damn. I forgot about that tiny, enormous detail. You too, Aiden? Did price action boot you out on AMC? Lunchtime is due to end in about 4 minutes and 39 seconds. I gotta be honest, my little guy is already running. Is he? Oh, no way. Ian, is that true? Is he really being investigated? For what happened within Wow, dude, that's crazy. Yeah, so definitely we have 2 strikes of manipulation a little earlier, a few minutes ago. 15. Oh, there's another one now. There's a 3rd strike now. Let me see the 32nd. 4th strike now. Wow, they're really trying. 1 minute time frame, nothing new. By a minute, nothing. Three-minute new iteration here. Damn. 4 strikes. 5 strikes. Nothing on the 5. Nothing on the 10. Nothing on the 15, and nothing on the 30. But we did get a bunch more. I mean, a lot more. That is wild, man. This is the 4th month in a row that this kind of action happens with FNGR criminal. Yeah, so I'm thinking that it's probably because they just want to run the... They probably just want to run the options out of the money. Have them expire worthless. You know, into this Friday. My goodness, man. So yeah, the SPY is feeling... It's feeling pretty bearish again, team. I honestly feel like this thing may actually try for a pretty large downside. It may actually want that 5-minute EMA 200 at 449.12. And there's 1 minute and 23 seconds left to close this candle beneath the area of 450.34. So this may actually increase its volatility towards the downside. And the 5-minute time frame is already piercing beneath the SMA 200. Whoa. Completely front running that. Volatility is introducing. Let's see how that reacts. 35 seconds left to close this hourly. And that would be the break. This would be this candle here breaking below the mid band. This candle opening to test the resistance before a continuation to the way down on the following one. That could be it. Hey Candace. Here's the opening of the next candle, team. Ooh, man. My goodness, check it out. Okay, so this could be the candle to validate the resistance of the SMA 200. So, Candace, I can't give away the entire juice on that, right? But there are a series of conditions, particularly 7 specific conditions that need to happen. They need to happen all at once. They all need to happen all at once. In order for a one manipulation signal to fire off, which is very difficult to meet. But it has a lot to do with wavelength theory. But yeah, those conditions do have to be, they will have to be met, or they would have to be met within, all 7 parameters and very distinct ones. In order to fire it. So imagine every single time we get a condition that fires, all of those seven things meet. It's freaking crazy. And it happens over and over and over. So you can only imagine that it feels like blatant manipulation at that point. Yeah, Bob, I totally see it. Very strong there. But since I see this 5-minute candle potentially closing beneath the SMA 200. So this, it just honestly, it feels like it's just going to fall off though. Nice. Bearish crossover on the 5-minute RSI. Stochastic momentum now pivoted towards the downside. Hourly time frame RSI in the gravitational zone. Guys, there could be a massive drop here. I'm thinking that this could come down to the EMA 200 right at about 449.12. This was my area here of the first potential take profit, right? Meeting it pretty nicely, but this is increasing volatility like crazy. Yeah, all of those tickers are probably going to apply pressure here too. Let's see how long we have to this 5-minute close. 1 minute and 9 seconds to close this candle. And that would be the first one to close beneath the SMA 200 at 449.76. I guess we will see. We will see how that does. Oh my goodness, man. crazy. 37 seconds left. $22 seconds left. Keep it moving. 9 seconds left. 8 seconds left. It's potentially gonna close beneath the prior bars, creating a new lower low. Ooh, it did. Oh, slightly. Man, it's still introducing more downside here. Is anyone playing the puts on this right now? Yeah, I mean, this feels just nice, Bob. Nice, Aiden. There is a potential. I mean, you can always remove this risk right around here at 449.39, but I think that it can reach. I think it maybe right. I think it may be able to reach this EMA 200, and I would probably give that a 449.22. To be honest, right? I know it's 449.13, but it's already breaking beneath the prior bar low. Damn. That's feeling super bearish, man. Woo! Look at this thing, man. Wow. Man, there it goes. I mean, I know that it still probably has, you know, more downside, but to be honest, you can, I mean, really, you can straight up just cover now and be like up like 30%. They're all coming down right now. Yeah. Oh my goodness. Check it out. EMA 200. I would cover right before there, around now-ish. I would get the hell out of the market around here, guys. I would get out now. It could probably still fall more, but I'm at EMA 200. That was it. Kill it, Aiden. Good job. Yeah, and honestly, there may still be downside, right? But oh, God, man, you know what? I forgot to tell you guys. I really have to go, right? But around, I think it was on Friday where I said, guys, I'm feeling a little nervous about this play right now. Like, it started moving up like this, right? I said, guys, I'm going to get out of here in the markets. I think I'm going to take a 20% gain, right? So I put my order in And then as soon as I triggered the limit, I said, okay, guys, I'm out. 20% gainer, right? This was when I think options was here trading with me too. Good, Cyber, good that you closed it, right? This is I mean, generally speaking, right? This is an area you want to close in a 5 minute. You want to get that out of the way. So, right. So I was telling you that, I was playing, I put my, my order in and I said, guys, I'm out with a 20% gain. And then the price action went to the moon. Remember? I don't know if you remember that. Yeah. So, Mike J, you got a 50% gainer? Nice, man. Congratulations. Guys, we pulled through right here, man. I'm so stoked. I'm so stoked to see everybody. Oh, yeah, I totally believe there could be still more downside to go. I believe it. Mike J, not a problem, my brother. So, what I'm trying to say here is that when I said, all right, guys, I'll catch you later. We closed off the chat and I went over to the bathroom and I get my phone out as I'm sitting in the freaking toilet, right? And I'm looking at my phone and my position says 90% down. I'm like, what? Dude. So I look at it and my limit never took it. So, I was just caught up here with the live, with the live stream, and I just put that thing with my sell order, but it never triggered it. And I'm just like, no way. Right? But here's the best part about my risk management, right? The problem is that I needed to market sell, so I couldn't have any stop losses in it while I triggered that sell. It didn't let me market sell, so I ended up just putting at the mid price of the limit, right? So yeah, dude, I told you guys, let's get out. I'm gonna get out right now with a 20% gain. So I put that limit in, and it ignored the limit, and it just surpassed it. And in my head, I was already out with a 20% gain. I never look at my P&L. I really just look at my percentages that I gain. So pretty much what ended up happening here is that my risk, remember that I loaded $500 into this account to see how fast I can turn those $500 into whatever, right? So I was already at $1,000 something over the last 2 weeks. So I entered the market only with $260. So 90% down, it's like $233. So while I was 90% down, I was still net green. And I guess the lesson to this story is that the over leveraging of your position is a really bad thing. Don't over lever yourself. Right. So, and I have to tell you that this preparation of risk management that I've had instilled in me from way back, it saved me this time around, right? Because I would have blown up a small account, So with that said, today's trade, I'm back at 1,016 from $700. Right? So just make sure not to over lever yourself. Do not pull an Arca there. Right? And you know what I'm saying here. Yes, John, we already have 5 strikes of manipulation in FNGR. Hell yeah, it is. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 strikes in a row. BTC ripping. Gee, yeah. So I just want you guys to be careful with what you do, okay? In the markets, it's just, guys, that's yeah, guys, everything under BTC will slip. But more likely than not, this is what I was telling people. There was going to be a short-term upside before a pullback, consolidation, the area for entry before the rip. You know what I mean? So I just I just want you guys to be careful with the markets, okay, team? Don't over-lever yourselves. Make sure to just enter with what you're willing to lose, you know, in case of any mistakes. And I just really wanted to express that to you guys. There's no way in hell I'm going to hold back from you. I said it yesterday too. I said, oh, guys, I need to tell you something. And then we got distracted, right? So I took the opportunity right now to make sure that I remembered to tell you what I felt and how that saved me and how one more day of trading literally brought me back. So now I'm above $1,000 again. And that's what I usually do. I load $500 and turn it into a bunch of money. And then I liquidate all that and, you know, live off of it because this is what I do for a living, right? And then I load up another $500 and then make a bunch of money out of it and then bring it right back. But it's just because of my current situation, right? Until I am entirely better, then I'll let my account grow and grow and grow and grow. But I want you guys to be careful. And that's all I'm really trying to say. $260 entry, Aiden. And that came down to about a $232 loss at a 90% because it didn't trigger it. When I said, guys, I'm taking my 20% gainer, I put in my order. As soon as I triggered the order, I came back to the mic and spoke to you guys. And I'm like, all right, I'm out. Because when you put the mid price to the fill, it usually gets it right away. So this is the one time it ever happened to me where it didn't get it. So I go to the bathroom and I'm looking at my phone and that thing is at 90%. I almost barfed. I'm like, what the hell just happened? Right? So, but then I'm looking at my P&L. I'm like, oh, okay, well, I guess I'm still net green. You know, that's the positive news. I survived another day. Right? So, but now I am up all that position now. I'm actually beyond where I was. I was at about $1,002 and now it's at $1,016, you know? So opportunities always come. Make sure to take your losses when they're small and then we'll get another opportunity for the next day. You know what I mean, you guys? Off-grid gorilla, kill him. Kill him, kill him. All right, you guys. So I got to get to my son. Any questions or concerns, please go ahead and get in touch with me. But let's go ahead and cut the stream here and come right back at it, right? Yeah, you guys, appreciate everybody for coming out. Kill it, Buzz. You're still down 10% today. Man, okay. Aiden, careful with those, right? So sometimes some people have that stop at 10%. But if you feel that there could be downside, you know what? But then also text me if you need my help on that, right? I just need to get to my son right now. Green Mountain, thank you so much. Tony, take care. Bob, especially letting me back in the island. Mr. BN Pro, what's up, Yardaline? Take care, you guys. Kitties. All right, so team, yeah, thank you so much for everything you do. Please take whatever I do show and iterate within these videos as just a form of entertainment, as I cannot suggest for you to buy, sell, or hold any assets whatsoever. Never, 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 ever, ever, ever. I need you to do your own due diligence and everything will be cool. But with that said, I wish you well, a very good rest of your day, and I will catch you at the Bella Mañana. Adios.